After you receive the machine, please release the emergency button. This is the first part of your handpiece holder. Please insert this to the main frame of the machine. When you connect the EMS finger, make sure all 3 ports are plugged. Now insert another EMS finger. Apply the massage oil to the skin, and if you notice there is obvious hair shaft, please shave first. Make sure the handpiece is vertical to the skin, and this will take approximately 5 to 8 times. For second option on the screen, please switch to these 2 probes and choose the size based on treatment area. Tap here to switch for the rotation direction. And this is the treatment time. Usually it's between 15 to 20 minutes. Here it controls the RF level. You may start with the level 5. Same for the rotational speed. Do not stay in the same spot for more than 2 seconds. For this handpiece, you may use the time duration of 15 to 20 minutes and switch for different depth. Tap this button to start the treatment. For next handpiece, make sure you choose the size that suits your finger. When you put on the probe, do not mix the cable. Also, when you do the treatment, do not hit the finger probe with each other. Choose the treatment area and the handpiece you are going to use. You may choose the left one or the right one, or you can activate both. Turn on more features and start with low energy for safety. Tap here to adjust for different depth. For net selection, you will still use the same probe. This part is about the maintenance of the machine. Please turn off your power first, and then use screwdriver to remove all 3 screws. This is the filter of the machine. Please make sure you unscrew and clean this filter every time you notice that it is more than 50%. Rotate and then pull down this filter. After you clean this, put it back, screw it upwards. Now put the cover back to the machine and use a screwdriver to put it back.